Welcome back to the Magritech installation series. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential post-installation documentation. Just like a successful harvest, every successful installation begins with planning and ends with thorough documentation. All necessary documents can be found on the dealer portal
or can be updated on the sprayer module on Zoho. Please update the post-installation section with information and upload post-installation pictures. Don't forget to add the manifold serial numbers and complete the warranty registration.
These documents ensure that your Magritech system is registered, installed correctly, and ready to deliver maximum efficiency in the field.
The Boom Kit Installation Manual is your comprehensive guide to the installation. Please read through the manual and supporting documents on the dealer portal. This manual and supporting documents will guide you through the installation and will provide you with detailed information to help install your Magritech system.
Remember,
some parts of the installation process, such as brackets for the magnetic manifolds,
may require additional fabrication. The dealer portal includes detailed guidance to help you through these steps. Last, don't forget about the importance of pre-installation documentation.
Completing the pre-installation section of the sprayer module with the correct information will ensure a smooth and efficient installation process.
Well, this wraps up our series on installing the Magritech Boom Kit system. We hope this series equips you with the knowledge and confidence to have a seamless installation process and deliver an exceptional experience for all our growers. Remember, we're always here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. And thank you for choosing Magritech.